This video is on algebraic fractions. Here we have the variable n. What we need to understand is there are a lot of things understood around this variable n. For instance, it's understood to have a coefficient of 1. It's understood to have an exponent of 1. And it's understood to have a denominator of 1. When we have the variable negative n, the same understood things are there. There's understood to be a coefficient, which is now negative 1, an exponent of 1, and a denominator of 1. Therefore, n equals 1n to the first power over 1, and negative n equals negative 1n to the first power over 1. Also, when we have an algebraic fraction, such as n over negative 3, that negative sign can go on the top or the bottom, because either way, you have different sign negative when you were dividing. A fraction bar is nothing more than a division symbol. Here we have a positive divided by a negative, which would give you a negative. If you move the negative sign to the top, you still have different sign negative answers, so they're the same. And a lot of fractions are written with the negative sign just in the middle. You can apply it to the top like this, or you can apply it to the bottom like this. It means the same thing. We also need to understand there's an understood coefficient in front of that n, the 1, so that is okay. We can move the negative sign up top, that is okay. We can put the negative sign in the middle, that is okay. All of those mean the same thing. Everything you see on the screen is equal. There are 6 equal fractions on the screen. Also, you could write that as negative 1/3 n. Same thing. Now we have 7 equivalent fractions on the screen. The only thing you could not do is put the variable in the denominator. That is different. Okay? So if I put the variable inside the fraction, it's got to go in the numerator to be the same as negative 1/3 n. If you put it into the denominator, it is no longer the same. And that is your lesson on algebraic fractions. Thank you.